Do you want to be able to drive worry-free from speeding tickets? In this video, I'll show you the concealed radar laser system that will allow you to do just that. Starting with the front of the 911 GT3, there are 3 AL priority laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed from ahead. We fabricated housings for the laser jammers to aesthetically blend them into the bumper without modifying the vehicle. The Escort front radar detector will alert you of police officers ahead. The radar detector and GPS antennas were hidden behind the front bumper cover. 2 laser jammers were mounted to the rear bumper to prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed from behind. Laser jammer housings were fabricated to hide the jammers and to prevent modifying the bumper when routing the wires. The rear radar will alert you of police threats from behind, and it was mounted behind the rear bumper. The Escort display and AL priority LED are mounted in the steering wheel shroud. The LED reflects into the gauge cluster perfectly. The Escort controller was mounted into a fabricated panel in the center console, and the main components are mounted under the dash to a fabricated bracket, and the wires are shortened and labeled for serviceability. Before we do our installations, we test with laser guns to find the best locations for maximum performance, and after our installations, we test again to make sure the laser jammers are working properly. You can see in these video clips the 911 is jamming the laser gun from the back and front. If you have any questions or want to get in touch with us, the best ways are either by giving us a call or sending an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.